Welcome back my YouTube channel, brand new video. Bathed in the glow of brilliant showroom lights, the 1970 Dodge Charger RT commands attention with an authority few vehicles can match. Its deep black paint, polished to a mirror finish, reflects the surrounding opulence, making it appear as if it were carved from a single piece of obsidian. The aggressive stance, wide body, and muscular lines tell the story of raw American power, while the modern luxury environment elevates the classic muscle car into a work of art. Sitting proudly on a platform of marble, the Charger's presence is magnified by the sophistication of its surroundings. The floors glisten, the glass walls sparkle under the carefully curated ambient lighting, and the entire atmosphere hums with a quiet sense of reverence. Every element in the showroom has been designed to pay tribute to the craftsmanship and brutal beauty of this icon. The car's stance is low and menacing, the wide tires wrapping tightly around chrome-finished wheels that shimmer like jewelry under the soft light. Its body panels are flawlessly smooth, reflecting every corner of the showroom in perfect clarity. Dominating the visual is the towering supercharger thrusting through the hood, a mechanical sculpture hinting at the beast that roars beneath. Each polished intake gleams, each bolt and belt perfectly aligned, symbolizing the harmony between brute force and meticulous engineering. It's not just a car. It's a statement of rebellion wrapped in elegance, a fusion of nostalgia and modern luxury that few other machines can deliver. One can almost hear the deep, thunderous rumble of the V8 engine, even in the profound silence of the showroom. Step closer, and the finer details reveal themselves with stunning precision. The RT badges, stitched into the leather seats and subtly placed on the fenders, glint with pride. Inside, the interior balances vintage charm with contemporary sophistication. Soft, supple leather wraps around the seats, hand-stitched with attention to detail only found in the highest-end restorations. The dashboard, while keeping its classic look, integrates modern amenities with an invisible touch, ensuring the driving experience remains pure yet comfortable. Chrome accents dance under the lights, each switch, dial, and trim piece lovingly restored are crafted to perfection. The Dodge Charger displayed here is more than just a nod to the past. It's a reimagination of what American muscle can be when given the treatment of a true luxury masterpiece. Its aggressive performance capabilities are not just hinted at, they are honored and celebrated in the way the vehicle is showcased. Around the car, subtle displays feature vintage memorabilia, old blueprints, and photographs that tell the story of the Charger's legendary history, drawing a direct line from the racetracks of the past to this moment of timeless elegance. The environment surrounding the car enhances every aspect of its character. High ceilings and strategically placed lighting highlight the car's long, muscular profile and wide, aggressive grille. Natural elements, like live plants and textured stone walls, soften the hard lines of the architecture, allowing the Charger's bold shape to stand out even more dramatically. The air smells faintly of rich leather and polished metal, immersing visitors completely in the experience of pure automotive passion. Luxury here does not scream, it speaks in confident, measured tones. It is present in the quiet click of Italian shoes on marble, in the whispered admiration of connoisseurs, and in the way every surface, every reflection, every detail has been curated to perfection. The Charger is not merely exhibited, it is celebrated, a king in a palace built for kings. To see this Dodge Charger RT under these lights, in this space, is to understand the true meaning of automotive desire. It transcends eras and tastes, appealing to the soul with its boldness, its beauty, and its brutal honesty. In a world increasingly filled with soulless efficiency, this machine reminds us of a time when cars were built to thrill, to inspire, and to dominate. Here, amid the luxury and the reverence, it stands as a testament to power, craftsmanship, and timeless American spirit, captured perfectly in a single breathtaking moment.